You know what, guys, it's taken me 20 years worth of learning the hard way, doing a lot of mistakes and learning the hard way. On my plot, in South Africa we call it a plot, in America, Australia it's a hobby farm. So on your plot, on your hobby farm, on your small holding, I'm going to teach you how to develop your hobby farm, how to develop your small holding into a very profitable organization where you can make a substantial income and a sustainable living out of your small holding. And I've learned this the hard way, and yeah, we've all done a lot of mistakes and we pay dearly for the mistakes. Now, by following my program, hopefully I can teach you step-by-step things to avoid any mistakes. As I've shown you on these flower beds, the good thing about these flower beds is if any flooding comes, your crops are not going to get flooded. If frost comes, your plants aren't going to get destroyed by frost, and underground frost, black frost. And at the same time, the whole advantage, another advantage of building your own flower beds like this, and putting a retainer of water at the bottom, like your biodegradable stuff, where you can actually hold a bit of water. But the advantage of it is once you've planted on open land, and especially we're not talking big tractors, big farms, big crops of millies and grains and all the rest of that. We are talking small holdings, hobby farms, where you're going to plant yourself something to help you. Intense farming with an intense income. So you want to plant like a good value crop to give you a good value income. You're not looking at planting hectares and hectares of a lower value crop. We on our hobby farms and our small holdings can't do that. Now the other advantage with these flower beds is it holds the water. So it's not like you're putting water out on open land and the sun can eat a lot of water because there's a big area that the water is sucking, that the sun is sucking up water from. This is enclosed, your water is concentrated on your flower beds, and the water is penetrated within your flower bed. So even from a water retainer, this is a very good option on your flower bed as a water retainer. It beats planting on open field 1,000 times. I've planted many times on my open field where I've planted 30,000 tomatoes, 50,000 chili crops, and I've done it, and I've had good harvests, but I've had harvests that I have lost hundreds of thousands, if not millions, because I've put in all the input costs, I've put in all the costs to get my plants nice, healthy, and here comes the floods, and here comes the rains, and then I'm wiped out, or I'll go through an El Nino where it's just barren. So with the flower beds, do yourselves the favor, put that initial investment in few flower beds like this and plant in your flower beds, retain your water, protect your crops. And I don't guarantee that all our programs are going to be entertaining, but they are going to be very educational, and we're going to teach you how to make a lot of money on these programs with very little investment. So keep on watching. We'll give you money ideas on how to take something, develop it into a fully grown thing, harvest it, and make money out of it, and produce it still. We are still going to show you end production of the whole products. So please like and subscribe, and carry on watching, guys. I promise you this will be very beneficial for you. You will make money by watching what I can teach you.